Somewhere in here, there is a tunnel that is literally buried in 3 feet of snow. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Train Brothers Railway on this snowy day. This is exactly the next day after the last video just came out, and we got a snowstorm. We got about 2 feet of snow and everything is just covered. You can just see the treetops. So somewhere in here is the layout with the tracks and everything like that. We got wind and snow bent this tree over. Kinda gotta be careful where I'm stepping to. This is the electrical shack, buried. This is the other side of the tunnel. Oh look, you can see right in there, just a little tiny bit of it. Top of the waterfall, there's a pond in there somewhere, trees. It's like the Swiss Alps over here, except for we're in Canada. But there's quite a bit of snow, hard to walk. Just thought you guys would appreciate a view of how much snow we get on the railway. Here's another angle of it with all the drifts. Pretty crazy. Thought I'd just film a quick little video of what the layout looks like buried in 2 feet of snow. You guys are familiar with that little retaining wall we got here. It's totally buried. Well guys, see you guys later. Don't forget to take care, take it easy, keep on the rails, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.